With ZRemesher, you can clean up your mesh and create a more ideal polygon flow. You'll find ZRemesher in the same geometry section as Dynamesh, under its own ZRemesher menu. The model currently displayed on screen is a sphere loaded from Lightbox with a resolution of 64. At first glance, it looks like the mesh is evenly distributed, but you can still spot some areas where the topology looks a bit distorted. Let's click the ZRemesher button to apply it. As you can see, the mesh becomes even cleaner and the polygon flow is smoother and more consistent. By the way, the technical term for this flow of polygons is called topology. Here's an example. These two cubes may look the same, but their topology is different. If 3 edges connect to a single point, or 5 or more edges meet at one vertex, these special points are called poles. Differences in topology can greatly affect your modeling process, which is why ZRemesher is useful. It automatically recreates cleaner topology for you. This process of rebuilding the polygon layout is known as retopology. You can control the resolution of your remesh model by adjusting the target polygon count. The lower the number, the lower the resolution will be. Now, even though we've been applying ZRemesher, the results still look slightly off. That's because symmetry isn't enabled. To fix that, go to the Transform menu and turn on Activate Symmetry, or simply press the X hotkey. With symmetry enabled, let's run ZRemesher again. Now you can see that the new topology is perfectly mirrored from left to right. Below the polycount slider, there are also 3 buttons: double, half, and same. These let you quickly set the polygon count to double, half, or the same as the current count. There are many useful options under the polygroup section, but let's highlight one in particular. If you enable keep groups, ZRemesher will take existing polygroups into account when retopolizing. This way, the new topology follows the boundaries of each polygroup. So if you group your mesh strategically beforehand, you can guide the topology to better match your intended flow.